High-performance audio upgrade that delivers signature quality sound that goes beyond OEM factory systems. Marine certified with IP55 rating, water and dirt resistant, and tested for salt fog UV and humidity. Polypropylene and UV tolerant cone with waterproof inner and outer surrounds. DB522 5.25 dB plus two-way coaxial speakers. Everything you love about Polks Dynamic Balance technologythat rich clean full range sound is built into the marine tough yet ruggedly sophisticated DB Plus series. And with their universal fit they can be installed in any vehicle, automobiles, motorcycles, boats, ATVsyou, you name it. Features high-performance audio upgrade that delivers signature quality sound that goes beyond OEM factory systems. Marine certified with IP65 rating, water and dirt resistant, and tested for salt fog UV and humidity. Polypropylene and UV tolerant cone with waterproof inner and outer surrounds. Simple drop-in installation for any vehicle including cars, boats, ATVsyou, you name it. 0 protrusion and reduced mounting depth for a precise fit. Dynamic Balance technology offers a rich clean full range sound. 20mm tweeter ensures clear balanced mids and highs. 100 watts at continuous power, 300 watts at peak power. What's in the box? 1 pair of DB522 coaxial speakers, 1 pair of grilles, 2 lengths of terminated speaker wire, 12 length each, 4 butt connectors, 8 mounting screws, 8 speed clips. Owner's manual specifications. Dimensions: cutout diameter 4.76, 121 mm, dimensions: height 0.31, 8 mm, dimensions: driver mounting depth, bottom mount 2.01, 51.2 mm, dimensions: driver mounting depth, top mount 1.74, 44.2 mm, dimensions: grill height 17.55 mm, driver complement mid, woofer diameter 5.25, 133.35 mm, driver complement tweeter diameter 0.75, 19 mm, electrical, max sensitivity 91 decibels, electrical, nominal impedance 4 ohm, electrical, total frequency response 55 Hz to 22 kHz, electrical power handling continuous 100 W, electrical power handling peak 300 W. Top reviews from the United States. Nice speakers for Can-Am. I replaced the front speakers in my Can-Am with these and they sound great. Nice frequency response for a marine speaker and at a great price too. You can probably spend a lot more to get a little more, but these are an excellent value at their price point.